Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do the dreadlocks crochet braid. This is my braiding pattern that I'm using. I guess I could have used less cornrows, but this is what I'm using today. What I use to kind of make my braids a little tighter, I use the locks twist braid. And it comes in the pack, and this is what I use to braid into my hair, so you have a little of a fuller body. And then I oil it with the wild growth, and this is very good, guys. It make your hair grows very well. It does have a little smell to it, but it's really good. And then I'm gonna use the crochet needle, which you can get these at any beauty supply store, Amazon, etc. And the hair that I am going to use, the dreadlocks crochet hair that I'm going to use, is one that I had for like 2.5 years now, and I wore it once, and then I washed it and packed it, put it in a box somewhere. So went in my box and I found it, and I re-washed it, and I'm going to use it and put in my hair today. So it's a strands of 4 combined, and you see how small the locks is. So that's what I am going to use for today. Alright, so I think I'm going to start with the back first. I can't see the back, so I'm going to have to make it work. Let's start with this side. So basically you're going to open your needle, you're going to put it through your braid in here, and then you're going to add the dreadlocks here into the needle. You're going to close it with the latch and then pull it through. Remove it, and then you're gonna loop this end of the hair in the circle here, and then you're going to tighten it. And that's how you're gonna put in the rest of the braids. So these locks, they can last for a very long time, guys. As you can see, I had it for, I told you, for a very long time, and I'm reusing them. So yeah, they're very good locks. And do it again. I'm gonna put it really close to the other one because this is the back and I might do an updo. So I'm just gonna add it really close to it. Okay, so just make sure the hair is like this before you put it in the latch. So I'm gonna do it again. Open the latch, put it through here, use the braids, put it in the latch, close it, pull it through, and then pull the other end of the hair through the whole circle. And that is it. So I'm gonna continue doing this off camera and reach half of my head, then I'll come back and do the rest. Okay guys, I am back, and this is what I have so far. Yeah, I believe this is 5-pack. I'm not 100% sure because I have this here for a very long time. I haven't finished it. I only have like a few of these leaves and in this area to finish up. So I'm just gonna finish up real quick. Again, the good thing about this here, these locks, guys, is that you can reuse them as often as possible. Just wash them. You can wash them with regular shampoo and conditioner if you want to put conditioner on it, but I didn't put conditioner on it. I just used the shampoo and then I let it air dry. And it's ready to use. This only took me about an hour or less than an hour, if I'm not mistaken. I didn't set the time, to be honest, but it's not an hour because I was watching a movie in the meantime, so it makes it seem like it's fast. It makes time goes by super fast that way. So I'm just gonna put one here. got these for $5.99 each pack. So they're not too expensive. So this is gonna be like my parting of the ear. Now finish it, put them a little closer since this is the closure area. It's summertime, so everywhere is super hot, and to wear a wig, guys, is just too sweaty, and then sometimes with the wigs right here, your hairline, it gets a little light. Your complexion gets very light, so sometimes your hair just need just a little breather, you know, from wigs. And then I wash my hair very often, so I can definitely wash my hair with these braids in it, so it's not gonna be a problem at all. Alright, put this right here to seal the deal. Just right a little tight. And I think that's it. The hair feels a little heavy because I'm not used to wearing these type of hair. From actually been 2 years braiding my hair like this, so the hair feels a little heavy. I'm pretty sure after a few days it probably will get used to it, I'm not sure, but right now it feels heavy for my head. But yeah, you can ponytail if you want to, put or bring it up. Oh, she's so heavy. So here it is. I probably just put a couple braids and just bring it to the back like this or something, just to keep these braids out of my face a little bit. This product right here is very good to lay edges down. If you have perm hair, natural hair, it's very good to lay your edges down. It make it if your hair is natural, it makes you look like you have like a perm, but you don't have a perm. So that's why I like it very much. I'm having a lot of pimples lately. I guess because of the summer, I'm not sure. Change of climate or something, I don't know, but my pimples are just acting up. This lady's is just down, and I'm ready to go. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. Not a long video at all. I will put the name of this locks in the description box. I'll find it somewhere and put it in the description box or on the bottom of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. If you haven't checked out my online store, please go ahead and do so. There's a lot of nice stuff, fashion stuff on there all for women. Maybe next year or so, maybe do men wear, but right now it's women wear, so definitely go ahead and check it out. That link will be also in the description box. Follow me on Facebook and also on Instagram, and all that link will be in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.